Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by spawning the bug bait and getting your tools ready. Grab the tool gun and at least 1 jar of bug bait. You can carry 1-3 for redundancy. Place yourself 2 to 10 meters from likely NPC spawn areas because distance affects attraction. Once done, switch the tool gun to the correct mode and hold the bait in your hand. Make sure gravity and props won't block line of sight. This gets the process moving immediately, so you can act fast. Next, you deploy the bait and manage NPC behavior. Attach the jar to a prop or set it on the ground in a visible spot. Use the physics gun for precision. Toss small amounts or reposition every 5 to 15 seconds to keep NPCs engaged, because static bait can be ignored. Place bait along choke points or just behind cover so NPCs take predictable paths. This makes controlling encounters easier. Once NPCs start moving, finish the encounter by using the gathered NPCs to your advantage. When they cluster, either spring a trap, eliminate them, or drag them away. Make sure you have a clear exit plan. Afterward, remove bait jars and any obstructing props so you don't cause unintended respawn loops. If things go wrong, reposition the bait to higher visibility, move it closer to spawn points, or reset spawns via map tools. This fixes most issues quickly and keeps the tactic reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.